Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to add music on Snapchat. So to do that, open your Snapchat account or application, and then in here you can see now your camera is on. So to add music, tap the notes at the right corner and then choose what song do you want to add on your Snapchat post. Sample, City Girl. And in here, you can see now the music at the upper center or above the record button. And that's it. You can now record your Snapchat while added a music. So that's it. That's how to add music on Snapchat. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.